Welcome to the free NumPy course. NumPy is a fundamental package for scientific computing in Python. NumPy can be used for various reasons. For example, if you work with multidimensional array objects, or you want to use masked arrays or matrices. It also provides very fast operations for arrays. With NumPy you can do a lot of things like mathematical, logical, and shape manipulation. You can sort, select, and apply input and output, as well as various Fourier transformations, basic linear algebra operations, and various statistical operations like random simulation. The difference between NumPy and the Python lists is that the NumPy arrays are a lot faster and more compact than Python lists. An array consumes a lot less memory and is very convenient to use, and also has a mechanism for specifying the data types, which will lead to optimized code. So what is an array? It is the central data structure of NumPy. Essentially, it's a grid of values and contains information about the data, how to locate elements of the data, and how to interpret the elements. Please note that every element in the array needs to have the same data type. So why use NumPy? First of all, it's a fundamental library and is used by many other libraries. It has precompiled C code for basic operations, which lead to very fast speed of operation. All the elements of a NumPy array need to have the same data type, which leads to an array, which leads to less memory usage. Also, fewer lines of code will lead to less bugs.